Hello everyone, my name is Om Shah and I'm a legal intern at Lexis & Company. Today I'm going to discuss about the Article 32 of the Constitution of India. Article 32 of the Constitution of India provides a fundamental right to move the Supreme Court by appropriate proceedings for the enforcement of the rights conferred by Part 3 of the Constitution. Part 3 of the Constitution contains the fundamental rights of Indian citizens. The Supreme Court has a power to issue directions, orders, or writs, including writs in the nature of habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, quo warranto, and certiorari, whichever may be appropriate for the enforcement of any of the rights conferred by the Part 3. The writs are habeas corpus. Habeas corpus is a writ that commands a person who is detaining another person to produce the detainee before the court. Mandamus is a writ that commands a public official to perform a duty that they are legally obligated to perform. Prohibition is a writ that prohibits a lower court from exercising jurisdiction over a case. Quo warranto is a writ that challenges the authority of a public official to hold office. Certiorari is a writ that quashes a lower court's decision. Significance of Article 32. Article 32 is an important provision of the Constitution of India. It provides a mechanism for the enforcement of fundamental rights. The Supreme Court has used Article 32 to protect the fundamental rights of Indian citizens in a number of cases. Article 32 has also been used to file PIL, that is public interest litigation cases. PIL cases are cases that are filed by individuals or organizations on behalf of the public at large. PIL cases have been used to address a wide range of issues including corruption, environmental protection and human rights. PIL cases have played an important role in promoting social justice in India. Now I'm winding up this video. If any of you has questions regarding the same, do let me know in the comment box. Thank you.